Hi, I'm Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2020 310 SLX, a phenomenal boat. It's got twin 300s on the back, the new L6s on it. It's hot, huge power for this boat. It's very, very fast. Great hole shot as well. As we move into the boat, you've got sea deck throughout the whole back area here as well. And then huge storage back here. Fenders, lines, toys, you name it, huge storage. Just folds easily down. Very nice lounge. You can put 4 people comfortably lounging in the back. So nice setup on the stern. You've got the automatic sure shade, which will come all the way over and actually put shade over this whole thing if you don't want the sun. But so that's the sure shade. And as we move into the cockpit area, you've got a little bar set up, sink, prep station, and then a cooler where you can keep bottles of wine, that type of thing in there. And a refrigerator with a little small freezer in there to keep a little bag of ice in there. And then L-shaped seating rather, and going around you've got nice sound system. It's a Fusion sound system. It's a ton of sound for this boat. And as we move up, you've got the seat here will actually spin. And so everybody's kind of like sitting around comfortable. You can entertain, 10 people sitting here very, very comfortable. Then we move it back. This is the head area. You got the sea deck that goes down in there, and you got the vacuum flush head, which is very, very nice. You've got the you got a sink in there. You've got a window for fresh air. So very large head for a 29-foot boat. As we move over to the helm, it's got the joystick option on it, which gives you 3 things. It gives you the full control of this boat. I can go sideways. I can put it anywhere at any time. And you also have the sky hook. I can lock it into position while I'm putting my lines and fenders out. Or watching the sunset. Hit it on, go sit in the sunset. You don't have to put the anchor down or anything. It's a great option. Also, you've got the auto heading, which is an autopilot. It's point and shoot. Very simple, really nice feature. Makes captaining the boat a lot easier and enjoyable. You also have the twin Simrads, all built in. Gorgeous setup here. Very, very clean dashboard. And you get the digital throttle and shift and the VHF radio. It's a beautiful setup. As we move to the bow, you've got 2 very large lounges. You can have 2 people lounging here and then 2 people sitting here, all facing forward, which is both. But you can put a half a dozen people easily. You got a place for a table that sets in here. You've got a hard top with a sunroof in it that you can open up manually, and it just does everything well, and it looks gorgeous on the water. So if you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.